Hi guys, welcome to yet another video. Today we are going to be making a Hot Wheel truck out of a vacuum tube thing. And I know what y'all thinking, Jordan, you're a traitor because you haven't made this video in a couple days. Well, I sort of forgot. I've been busy and downloading games I can play and stuff, but look, nothing down here. See, just completely black. So we are making the amazing Hot Wheel truck to my darkness. So here's our tester, a little blue Hot Wheel car. Look at it, it says my ear. So yeah, I'm gonna just do something easy to make. Where's the first one? Guys, yeah, I don't know what to put on it to keep it down. I don't know. Okay, take this. Yeah. Okay, guys, I figured it out. But actually, let's do something simpler. So I put the car in. You can't really see it. So let's just see. Oops. Let me just get the car down. Now, me and my brother have actually tried this before. Ugh. I just want to do it myself solo. So, let's see if it works. So, here's the test tube again. And now I'm playing it. Yeah. This is my first YouTube channel, guys. Okay, so car's in, I'm holding on to it, and now it went straight in. So guys, don't do try this at home. Make sure you have the exact same one. And I'm actually gonna make another video in a couple minutes with this. So I hope y'all like my channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll see y'all guys next time. Goodbye.